everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. My name is Kimberly and welcome back. So today I've been doing quite a bit of stuff. I forgot to pick up the camera and actually bring you guys along. As you can tell, I let out the ducks, let them all out, moved their cage so they don't have a cage down there no more. I'm putting all cages on this side over here. I have one more to build. So I put all my cages here, and then I have one more to build that's going to go here. And then we're going to start our breeding program of different chicks, or different kind of breeds of chickens. So down there in the corner I'm going to have, so down here I'm going to have Turkins, and then it'll be Silkies, and then I'm going to leave a pen for Marans, and then whatever else I feel like I might need to raise. Silkies may go into a different pen because I don't have very many of those, so they may end up going into a different pen, which is fine, not a big deal. But we've been moving stuff around, or I've been moving stuff around and kind of just getting stuff, you know, situated here before springtime gets here. So just been kind of piddling and diddling here. I've been trying to catch all these chickens that are out. I have a lot of chicks that are out. Been trying to catch all of them. I've got to fix a couple of things around here. Whoa, I stepped on something, almost fell down. But I got to fix a couple of things around here. And Wednesday they come to put Mr. Steve in the freezer. I sold him, so they're going to actually, I let them come be able to butcher him here because it was easier that way, and they try to get him loaded on a trailer. But he's going. I do have my 2 cows up for sale. Trying to do a little bit of different changes with my health issues going on. Not sure big livestock is good for me right now. Well, I guess we'll just, you know, be able to figure that out once I get my blood work and all that stuff back, hopefully from the doctor, and everything's fine. If everything's fine, I'll probably end up keeping them. But if somebody gives me an offer I can't refuse, I probably will let them go. I just want to kind of focus on my chickens for now. But they are all in here. I moved all those black ones. Why they're all in the corner, I have no clue. Because they have that all down through there, and then it goes back too. So they have, you know, they have quite a bit of room. But babies, you know, these Jersey Giants, they're a little off in the head, I think. But yeah, I let all the ducks out. Hopefully them hawks don't take off with any of them. They were flying by today. But they got plenty of coverage. You know, they can hide in that the cow shelter, or, you know, once these trees are fully bloomed, they'll be able to be out underneath the trees also. And we got our dog, our livestock guardian dog. So hopefully he will, you know, learn to love the chickens and not chase them like he was. So that's Todd. I don't know what he's doing right now. Them two are like best friends, apparently. But he's a good boy. Huh, Todd? Come on. Let's go. Let's go, guys. And then all these ducks are out over here, too. And I got the cow thing. I want to start filling this thing up again for the cows. And then the little babies. Little baby ducks playing in the water. Hopefully nothing eats them. They still don't know how to defend for themselves. So, whoa, that went way out there, guys. Yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing. At least today. Yesterday it rained so freaking much that it rained and it was cold and it was windy. I couldn't believe it. It felt like it should have been like winter time. It was weird. Come on. Todd, are you coming in? You staying over there? I gotta go actually put the other dog up because I got somebody coming to buy quail. I haven't checked on my bees. I do need to do that. I've seen a lot of activity with them lately. So I do need to actually go and check on them. But I gotta get this area mowed. All this area right here. I gotta get mowed. I gotta get that stuff mowed before Wednesday too. We're under a burn ban, so I can't really burn or anything right now. But these quail right here are the ones that somebody's gonna come and look at. I told them they could have 5. That's all I'm getting rid of out of here is 5. And then another gentleman wanted 5, so that's fine with me. I got more hatching. And they're acting like they, you know, haven't ever seen a human before. And we did get some roosters from a lady. She gave me 6 roosters. I'm thinking about keeping a couple of them because they're Americanas, or at least Americana mixes. And I really like them. I just need to pick one or two that I like. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. I need to find that dog. I don't know where he's at. But all of these guys are doing good. Excuse me. These guys are way bigger now. Way bigger. And that's why I'm not getting rid of any of these. The other ones, but you know, I can let go of a few. But they're all fixing to go out. As soon as I get that other cage put together, they're all going out into their own cage. And then these two, all these in here except for two or three, no, three of them are not, four. They are not Turkins. So I have quite a bit of Turkins in here. I really like the Turkins. A lot of people don't like the Turkins. I do. And then over here, I had some Silkies hatch from the girls. Or from the girl, from that white one that I have. That came out of her. They're all Silky mix, or whatever she is. Except that one. He doesn't have all the toes, so I don't know where he actually hatched from. But he came out of one of those eggs. So I don't know. We'll see. What you doing, Todd? Well, let's see. He's going to be a big dog, I think. And all the girls here, they're still doing good. They lay eggs. I got another batch of eggs that I need to put in. So, you know, slowly, springtime's slowly coming around. I'm excited. I still haven't planted anything because I'm still waiting for that last freeze or frost that we're going to get. Yesterday was pretty cold. We were down to 42. 42 degrees. That's why you don't plant before it's too early. Unfortunately, my trees have decided to bloom. Unfortunately, all my trees are blooming. It's too early for that. I don't have time for that. I'm afraid what's going to happen is that they're going to bloom, we're going to get a freeze, and I'm not going to get any fruit this year. That's what I'm afraid of. See how that one bloomed? This one's bloomed. Let me get you turned around here. This one bloomed. She's got green leaves on her. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. This plum tree bloomed. I never get anything off this thing anyways. There's a wasp on that. So there's wasps on this thing. Let me get out of here because I don't want to get stung by a wasp. I thought she was going to wait, and she didn't. She's got blooms on her too. Even the little one over here's got blooms. It's a pretty tricky subject when you come with peach trees. This will only be her second year, I think. Yeah, because I got them last year. Something just tried to fly in my face. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We do have a plan for this right here. I eventually want to, and now this will be a project, it'll be a slow going project, but I'm hoping that I'll end this area here. Let me back y'all up. It's kind of a round oval looking circle. What I want to do is I want to dig out, take these trees out here, dig out a hole down in there, and I want to put a koi pond in. I think that will be really neat. But that, like I said, that will be a project for the future. That little tomato made it. Now these are just test dummies that I put out here just to see what would happen. Sage and a tomato. Once again, test dummy. Doing pretty good. Potatoes are finally showing some leafage or foliage. Not very much, but they are. And I did harvest those carrots out of there. Those carrots were really cool. I'm going to grow carrots again. I did put a picture down in the community area so y'all could see that. And then down here, more potatoes. I'm hoping the rest of them are going to come up. If not, then I don't know. They got plenty of water yesterday, so. And then my little dinky lettuce that I put in this thing, it's actually bigger now. It can almost make me a salad. I don't know. It's really, everything's starting to get a bloom and come out, and I'm ready. I just want to wait until, I don't want to rush it. I want to wait. I'm really excited about this gardening season, everyone. Like I said, we're going to have a bigger one in the back. I'm going to have two areas actually in the back, and then we're going to have this one in the front. So y'all make sure that you stick around, you like and subscribe, hit that notification button, because that lets you know that I'm still around. And I think we will see y'all in the next one, guys. God bless, and we'll catch you in the next one.